Hey sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a massive haul for you all. Some of the newest Dollar Tree items that are going to be so much fun to use this year. And if you see some of these crafting items, you better grab them because they are not going to last long. And I know all of the YouTube crafters are going to be so excited to be using these, especially heading in towards spring. I'm just going to go ahead and jump on into it. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you find Dollar Tree hauls helpful. But the first thing that I found that I just went crazy about were these little laser cut craft icons, is what it says on the top, but they're just these little laser cut wooden pieces that will just be the perfect little 3D wooden embellishments to add to all of our projects. These are awesome, so thank you to Dollar Tree. But I picked up 6 different styles. So they only had like 3 rows of them hanging on the little rod, so I had to shuffle through them and find the ones that were different. But these are so cool. They have maple leaves and a butterfly and roses and flowers and little ladybugs. They are just adorable. You get 6 pieces in each, which is a fantastic deal. And I was just super excited. These will be so adorable, not only gluing to DIYs, but running like a little thread through there and making these little charms. It looks like they would be super simple to spray paint if you wanted them a different color, but I love that dark wood and think that these are just perfect as they are. Speaking of the little laser wood cutouts, they actually had some little mini words, and you get 3 pieces, so 3 little words for $1. That is still a really good deal. I just picked up Inspire, Friend, and Trust, and they have like little designs, so these are going to be really, really pretty. I think these would be gorgeous, like once again on a string or gluing this to a project, and going to be so much fun to use. I wish they had a few different word options. There was like spirit and a few that I knew I would never use, so I just left them. But these are going to be so cool. I know I'll regret not getting more, but I didn't want to take them all. But these are just a really, really fun DIY item. These are a newish item that I have been seeing people haul, but I was dying for them and I actually found them. So they are rub-on transfers. You all know I am a sucker for the Dollar Tree rub-on transfers. I've put them on everything. But I was wanting these little dandelions so bad, and I finally found them. So picked them up in the little dandelions. They had butterflies and then more of like this little natural pieces like leaves and little ferns. But these are going to be so fun. They are gold looking, so I'm not sure how well they're going to show up. I might have to just put them on white. They used black as the backing, so I'm not sure what they're going to look like put on a different color, but so excited to try these out. Something that is so cool that I found at Dollar Tree, and this has to be fairly new because I have not seen it out anywhere, but these little candle making kits. They had 3 different scents that I found. It has like the apple cinnamon citrus combo, and then there's the lavender lily combo, and then fresh linen coastal breeze. And I think these look so cool. My husband instantly was like, the girls would have so much fun. But I really wanted to DIY with these and try it out and make my own candle. But they are candle making sets, and it tells you exactly how you do it. So they look fairly simple. So I am excited to try these out. I think it would be fun to even try like different containers, because Dollar Tree is always having out different little candle votive holders, and I think it would be fun to try to put these in something else. But I had to try these and thought that they looked really, really fun. I know everybody has been talking these up, so I had to grab some. They are like the little happy planner, happy notes kind of knockoff. They have the little rings with the hearts in there. I picked up 2 of the pink cheetah. Cheetah alt print always has my heart. So these say wild at heart, I assume. But they are super cute, just a tiny little notebook. I just recently purchased a new desk for my craft room / office, and I have a billion notebooks going on in there. I just feel like I can never have enough. I love things to be kind of not in one place, but like my planned out month is in one place, and then I can pull over a notebook and kind of sketch down ideas so it doesn't jumble up my calendar book. So my husband always asks why I have a million notebooks, but I like things to kind of be spread out in different places where I know where I wrote things. And then I have like scrap paper for like if I want to write down any notes for a voiceover. But I thought these would be so cute to kind of write little notes in, and just keep these little small ones are really cool to just keep on hand. And they had different styles, but I'm trying to get better about not picking up the different styles just to show you guys. I'll film it in the store and just pick up the ones that I really love. So I love this cheetah, and then I really liked these little kind of overlaid hearts. They're really colorful, and this one says it's the little things in life. So really cute find, and I could not believe to get these for $1. An item that was not with the crafters items that I thought was really cool was all of these different napkin rings. I thought these would be the coolest things to DIY with. They had these bigger ones that have like a wood print with the black. I am really getting into all of the black tones, wood tones, like modern farmhouse. I never thought that I would. I always loved like the more softer grays and whites in farmhouse, but I am loving incorporating like darker tones in there now. So I picked up these napkin rings. I thought they would be so cool to DIY with and add these into a project. And then after I was amazed at these wood ones, I found these kind of like heavy duty black napkin rings, and I thought these were really cool. So I picked up a couple packs of each, and I think these will be really, really fun to craft with. It's never too early to go ahead and pick up Dollar Tree summer items when you see them. I know they had these all year in the Crafter Square, but I usually just use these in spring going into summer. But I love the little pineapples last year. They were adorable. I made a little pineapple sign that was one of my favorite things that I made last summer. So I had to pick some of these up. One of them is missing the little LED light that they're supposed to come with, but I thought that was completely fine. I'm just going to be setting these around, probably just painting them. You could add a little bit of greenery maybe in there. And then this other one kind of is this awkward box that we never really know what to do with. Some people put like little floral pieces down in there, but this would be really cute like on like a summer party holding like paper straws or maybe forks or something. But I want to try to incorporate this into decor, but some really fun wood pieces that I had to pick up. I think it's so funny because Dollar Tree is somewhere that obviously you can't just buy everything, but whenever you go, like if you don't get the items that you want then it's completely gone. And like those little race cars, the little wooden race cars that you were supposed to be able to paint, and those I didn't even really blink an eye at. I wasn't interested in the race car, and then I thought of a project the other day that I needed some so bad, so now I'm gonna have to go back to the Dollar Trees and look for those little race cars. So it's just really funny. I'm sure all of you all know exactly what I'm talking about, but you definitely have fear of missing out whenever you are a Dollar Tree shopper. I don't know if these are brand new, but there is one specific Dollar Tree out of like the 5 or 6 that sometimes I have to shop. Not very often do I shop that many, but there is one that has like the best party supply aisle. So it has really good stuff, and it has like a full-on wedding aisle. And I found these mini little white buckets that I thought would be so adorable to craft with. You get 3 little buckets, and then it says 9 pieces, so I'm sure that's including the tag and the ribbon, but these are for little party favors. But these are so adorable, and I already had a great idea of something that I could make with these. Something else that's been kind of circling are these little plant hangers, and obviously I wouldn't have wanted this color green. I think someone shared that they had black. That would have been more of a fun color. But I went ahead and grabbed them because I'm going to try to think on it and think of something. I know in summer I don't care to use a lot more colors, and I make a lot of outdoor DIYs, so this might be something fun that I'll get to use. And then they have these nice little hooks, so I'm sure that I can come up with some way to get to use these without having to keep them this really bright green color. I picked up these Valentine napkins. I see all the time people like Mod Podging napkins on glass containers, and I did that a couple of times. So I loved, like if you flip this napkin over, that's just the tag, so that's not on there, but it is this beautiful plain, just gray, soft barnwood. So I know this would make just a gorgeous like background or wrapped around a candle or something. I thought that was beautiful, and then that heart's really cute too. I might Mod Podge that to something, but like decoupage or whatever it's called whenever you take the little paper and put it around. But I thought this was really fun and something that I was going to definitely try. Window clings and wall decals are one of my favorite Dollar Tree items. So I picked up these 2. This one says patient, gentle, humble, loving, and it's got the nice, beautiful words on there and some little decor pieces around it. And then I loved this one that says be grateful with a little silver greenery or whatever that is, vines, and then one of my, that's not it, and then one of my laundry decals. I went ahead and grabbed another one of these because I just loved using this so much last year. The Dollar Trees were starting to put out spring items, so I went ahead and grabbed these bamboo wind chimes. I thought these were the perfect little thing to DIY with. The bamboo looks super nice. It has big pieces in there, so this is a wind chime, but I just knew that I could use these natural looking pieces in some like boho farmhouse decor, and super excited about it. So I'll have to think hard on this one, but let me know if you've ever DIY'd with these. I could not believe I actually found the little pink makeup remover wipes. I actually ordered one on Amazon for 20 bucks and it disappeared after one time of using it, and it is driving me crazy. I've looked behind my washer and dryer, under my bed, and it's just disappeared. It was like the lost sock. It's just gone. So I don't know what happened to it. And then there was like a store that was going out of business locally, and I bought up a bunch of their just really cheap, and they were still like $5 a piece. So I spent like 15 bucks on 3 of these. So I am crossing my fingers that these are just as good makeup removers. They are really fun. I still like to use my micellar water with them, even though it says no soap needed, just water. But I just feel like these work really, really good, and a great price for just $1. And then I had to open it up to go ahead and show you guys, but this is like a really nice size and it feels the same, so really hoping that this works. Also in that same wedding section, I found some of this white and silver glitter vase filler. This is so cool, and I love buying neutral, like glam pieces like this, because even if I don't get to use it, I was wanting to use it around Valentine's Day. This is something I can use all year. So just really, really pretty. It's really glittery and looks to be like really nice quality. So super excited to find this and keep it on hand. These were definitely a new item in Crafters Square, and they were called ceramic stickers, and it shows them displayed on a mug, so cannot wait to try these out. This one says, "Girl Power, you are my sunshine." They had a unicorn version that says, "Have a magical day." This says, "Follow your bliss, don't stop until you're proud," with the little llama. And then the other one just had like some kind of like little floral, "Today I choose joy," but a really cute little selection. I don't know exactly how these go on. They just say magic on, so I'm assuming they're just kind of like stickers. But these look really, really fun, and it's always fun to kind of put window clings or some kind of sticker on plain white Dollar Tree mugs just for decor purposes, because it really can decorate your space or a coffee bar. And then back on stickers, I hit the sticker jackpot. They had tons and tons and tons of different stickers, including these little metallic roses in gold and rose gold. And they just had a ton. So I'll kind of pan over and show you all what they look like. But I love the Dollar Tree stickers. I love planning, and so they had perfect stickers for planning. My planner brings me so much joy. I love planning out my YouTube videos, but then I go back in and make it all cute and put a billion stickers and all of my little colorful pins. So just really, really fun. It's a fun little hobby or extra thing to do. A creative outlet, but Dollar Tree always helps us out by putting out like the best stickers for $1. They also had these little stickers, and they look like they're kind of advertised towards kids, but I went ahead and picked me up some because I love cutesy stickers. They had 2 different styles, and they say 250 plus stickers. Hobby Lobby sells these cute little sticker books. My daughter just bought one that was $5. She got it 40% off, but still close to $3. So for $1, these are so cool to have, plan with, or just like decorate, and the girls also love these. And then, speaking how I love notebooks so much, I picked up these 2 little tie-dye notebooks. I love the colorful one as well as just the pink, and these will just be perfect to kind of write notes in, or I love a small notebook in my purse on the go to kind of keep my grocery list in, or even like video ideas, so if I am at the Dollar Tree, I know what to pick up. They had the cutest little tea towels or flour sacks. This one says, "Will you be my Nomi?" He's really, really cute with the little heart with the stitching on it. And then they had this bicycle one, and I just love picking these up and kind of putting them on the front of my dishwasher, on the handle, or the handle of the stove oven. I just think these are really, really cute and add that perfect splash of color for Valentine's Day without spending a lot of money. And then the last thing I guess I have to show you today was the Dollar Tree's party supplies. They had some really cute items. Before I get into the party supplies, I forgot to share with you all these little dream catchers. They have a rainbow and a unicorn. These are adorable. My daughter will go crazy over these. Just really fun, bright colors that would just be really cute hanging on a hook in their room. But for the party supplies, they had the cutest little felt banners. I love these. They had a unicorn one and a mermaid one. I also picked up just a regular princess happy birthday. It's almost one of my daughter's birthday next month, so I went ahead and grabbed these because I know when it's birthday time you never can find anything you want. But this one says we love mermaids, and then I'm not sure if they had the big plates in this, but I just went ahead and grabbed 3 small plates. You can always mix match these with just like solid purple big plates for eating on, and this could be cake. Obviously we can't have huge parties right now, just our immediate family, but these are just adorable and she'll just have so much fun. These are so pretty. You could even make some little DIY, like hang some streamers off of it and leave the little circle and kind of pin it or hang it different places. I don't know, but I thought this was a really fun haul. I found a lot of new items that I thought you guys would really be interested in. Let me know in the comments down below which one of these items that you would love to find at Dollar Tree, and also let me know if there's any new items that you have been seeing that I haven't found yet, because as soon as I get back I'm always ready to go again, and you obviously just can't keep buying everything from Dollar Tree. But it's so much fun trying to play that game and get everything on your list. So definitely let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Thank you all for coming along and hanging out with me today. I hope you all are finding everything that you want at Dollar Tree, and I'll see you next time. Happy crafting. Bye.